Welcome friends, myself Rahane Sheetal Sanjay. My seminar topic name is retrovirus and retrotransposon. First of all, we see what is virus. Virus is a microscopic infection agents. Virus can only replicate inside the living cell organism. Study of viruses called as virology. Viruses can learn to adapt to immune response. Viruses are much more difficult to treat the bacteria. First is retroviruses. Retroviruses belong to the group of viruses that belong to the family Retroviridae. Retrovirus are viruses with RNA as a genetic material. Retrovirus are a type of virus that use to special enzyme called as reverse transcriptase to translate genetic information into DNA. Once it has infected a cell, it converts its RNA into DNA by reverse transcription. The viral DNA is then inserted into the DNA of host where it starts replicating. Example of retrovirus is the human immunodeficiency virus, that is HIV virus. Structure of retrovirus. It consists of two concentric outer circles of the lipid bilayer that contain the envelope protein complex embedded in it. The capsid protein are hexagonal in shape. Its copies of RNA genome are in the form loop bound by nucleoprotein. The three main virons composed are present in retrovirus. First is envelope. The retroviral envelope is composed of lipid and glycoprotein encoded by gene. It serves as a three important functions. The lipid bilayer products the retrovirus from the extracellular environment. It helps the retrovirus to enter to exit the host cell through endodermal membrane trafficking. They direct entry into the cell fusing with membrane. Second one is RNA. It consists of a dimer RNA with a 5' cap and a 3' poly A tail. It has a non-coding region that the terminal which in a replication, whereas the internal region encode viron protein for a gene expression. Third one is a protein. It consists of gap protein, polyprotein and protease. Next is a replication of retrovirus. Retrovirus replication. Virus infect a normal cell, then viral DNA is introduced the host cell. Then reverse transcription occur. Viral DNA is produced by reverse transcriptase. Then virus genetic material in nucleus of the host cell. Then viral is a cooperates into the host genome. Then new viral RNA is produced by a reverse transcriptase. Viruses come but from the host cell. New viruses conified other cell. Second virus is a retrotransposon. Retrotransposon are a type of genetic component. They copy and paste themselves into a different genomic location by converting RNA back into DNA through the process of reverse transcription using an RNA transposition intermediate. Through reverse transcription, the retrotransposon amplify themselves quickly to become abundant in eukaryotic genome. They are only present in eukaryotes but share feature with retrovirus such as HIV. There are two main types of retrotransposon. First is long terminal repeats. Second is non-long terminal repeats. The other type of transposon is the DNA transposon. DNA transposon inserted themselves different genomic location without copy themselves that cause the harmful mutation. First is LTR retrotransposon. It's a long strand repetitive DNA can be found at each end of LTR retrotransposon. These are termed long terminal repeats that are each a few hundred base pair long. Long terminal repeats, they are gene that can be transcript equivalent to retrovirus gene, GAG and POL. This is diagrammatic representation of LTR transposon, long terminal repeats. These genes overlap so the encoded transcript into functional gene product. LTR retrotransposon encoded transcript with tRNA binding site so that they can undergo reverse transcription. The tRNA bound to RNA transcript and bind to a genomic RNA sequence. Second one is non-LTR retrotransposon. Non-LTR retrotransposon contain a gene from reverse transcriptase, RNA binding protein, nuclease and sometimes nuclease H domain, but they lack the long terminal repeats. RNA binding protein bind the RNA transposition intermediate and nuclease are enzymes that break the phosphodiester bond between nucleotide and nucleic acid. Diagrammatic representation of LTR. Instead of LTRs that can have an inverted order of base next to each other aside from direct repeats found in LTR retrotransposon that is just once of base repeating itself. Thank you.